Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your workspace and game files for modding. Create a new C# file named event script. CS in assets/scripts/events. Open the Yandere Simulator Unity project and confirm it compiles with no errors. Assign a unique event ID, for example 5, inside the event script constructor so the system recognizes it. Keep your code formatted and saved in UTF-8. Back up the original assembly before changing any files to protect your game data. Now write the event logic inside event script. CS by inheriting from the base event class. Override the start event. Method to initialize animations, NPC behaviors, and triggers. Define spawn coordinates using floats, for example 3, 5, 0, -12, so objects appear in the correct spot. Set a duration like 60 seconds for timed actions and use invoke or coroutines for sequencing. Add debug. Log statements at key points to monitor event progression during testing. Compile your modified scripts into assembly C#. DLL and save a backup named assembly C#. DLL. Back. Place the new DLL into the mods or managed folder used by Yandere Simulator. Launch the game via Unity or the game executable and press F4 to open the debug menu for event testing. Trigger your custom event by calling event ID 5 or using your custom trigger key. Watch debug. Log output to confirm state transitions and fix errors until the event behaves reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.